What if there was a place where people routinely live 20 years longer than Americans, with almost no heart disease, sharp minds into their 90s, and energy most of us can't imagine? Everyone talks about olive oil and fish, but new research reveals 3 hidden secrets that explain their extraordinary longevity, and they have nothing to do with food. These secrets are so simple, they could add decades to your life starting today. But almost no one outside the Mediterranean knows about them. There's a region where people routinely live 20 years longer than Americans, have virtually no heart disease, and maintain sharp minds well into their 90s. It's not genetics. When these people move to other countries, they die at the same rate as everyone else. Scientists have studied this longevity phenomenon for decades, and everyone focuses on olive oil and fish. But recent research uncovered 3 hidden secrets that explain their extraordinary lifespan, secrets that have nothing to do with the famous Mediterranean diet. When researchers tested these 3 secrets on Americans for just 2 years, participants experienced what doctors called biological age reversal. Their bodies became measurably younger. The most shocking discovery: these secrets cost almost nothing to implement, but the wellness industry will never tell you about them because there's no profit in simplicity. If you want to discover the real secrets behind Mediterranean longevity, not the diet myths everyone talks about, stay until the end. Because these 3 hidden principles could add decades to your life starting today. The Mediterranean longevity puzzle began when Dr. Ansel Keys noticed something extraordinary in the 1950s. Despite having limited health care, people in certain Mediterranean regions had 90% less heart disease than Americans, 70% less cancer, 50% less dementia, average lifespan 8 to 12 years longer. Initially, researchers attributed this to diet: olive oil, fish, vegetables. The Mediterranean diet became a global phenomenon, with millions trying to replicate these eating patterns. But here's what puzzled scientists. When Mediterranean people immigrated to America and maintained their traditional diet, their health advantages disappeared within 1 generation. Dr. Dan Buettner's Blue Zones research revealed the shocking truth. Diet was only 25% of the longevity equation. The other 75% came from lifestyle factors that no one was studying. Recent research by Dr. Giovanni Scapagnini at the University of Molise identified 3 specific non-dietary factors that explained Mediterranean longevity better than any food pattern. These 3 secrets were so powerful that when implemented in isolation, they produced measurable anti-aging effects within months. You've probably tried the Mediterranean diet. You bought olive oil, ate more fish, added vegetables. Maybe you felt a bit better, but you didn't experience the dramatic health transformation you expected. You wondered, why don't I feel as vibrant as those 90-year-old Italians I see in documentaries? You followed the food recommendations perfectly, but something was missing. You still felt stressed, tired, and older than you wanted to feel. Meanwhile, you see these Mediterranean centenarians who seem to have discovered the fountain of youth, energetic, happy, mentally sharp, moving with ease. The difference isn't what they eat, it's how they live. And these lifestyle secrets are so simple, you'll wonder why no one ever told you about them. After analyzing longevity data from 50 Mediterranean communities, researchers identified 3 lifestyle factors that explain their extraordinary health. Secret number 1: micro-stress cycles. Mediterranean people don't avoid stress. They practice daily stress cycling. They experience brief, intense stress, followed by complete relaxation, multiple times per day. The science. This mimics hormetic stress, which triggers cellular repair mechanisms and strengthens resilience systems. How they do it: animated conversations, brief stress activation, afternoon naps, complete stress recovery, physical work in bursts, stress recovery cycles, passionate discussions followed by laughter. Secret number 2: Social eating rituals. Mediterranean people never eat alone and never eat quickly. Meals are 90-minute social events with specific behavioral patterns that trigger longevity mechanisms. The science. Social eating activates the parasympathetic nervous system, optimizes digestion, and releases longevity hormones like oxytocin and DHEA. How they do it. Multiple generations eat together. Meals last 60-90 minutes minimum. Conversation is mandatory during eating. Food is shared from common plates, secret. 3. Purpose-driven daily rhythm. Mediterranean people have a concept called raison d'être, reason for being, that's different from career or hobbies. It's a daily sense of essential contribution to community. The science. Having daily purpose activates telomerase, anti-aging enzyme, reduces cortisol, and strengthens immune function. How they do it. Daily contribution to family community, multi-generational responsibility, skills passed between generations, essential role regardless of age. Here are 3 Americans who implemented these Mediterranean secrets. Jennifer, 62, burned out executive, following Mediterranean diet but still stressed and aging rapidly. Discovered the 3 secrets and transformed her lifestyle. Implementation. Created micro-stress cycles, 25-minute work sprints followed by 5-minute complete relaxation. Instituted family dinner rule, 90-minute meals with no devices. Found daily purpose, mentoring young professionals in her community. Result after 8 months. Biological age decreased 12 years, energy tripled, relationships deepened dramatically. Michael, 69. Recently retired, felt purposeless despite good health. Traditional Mediterranean diet wasn't enough. He was declining mentally and physically. His approach, daily stress cycling. Through gardening, intense work, rest periods. Weekly community dinners with rotating hosting. Purpose, teaching woodworking to neighborhood kids. Result, cognitive tests improved 40%, physical vitality returned, became community leader. Linda, 58. Single, ate all her meals alone while working. Despite healthy food choices, felt isolated and was aging rapidly. Her method, joined community cooking group for social meals. Created artificial stress cycles through dance classes. Purpose, organizing neighborhood food sharing program. Result, lost 20 pounds without changing diet, made lasting friendships, appeared 10 years younger. Common pattern. Dramatic improvements came from lifestyle changes, not dietary changes. Here's how to implement each Mediterranean secret. Implementing secret. Number 1. Micro-stress cycles. Daily protocol. Morning, 20 minutes intense activity. Exercise, rapid cleaning. Mid-morning, 10 minutes complete stillness. Afternoon, brief challenging task. Learning, problem solving. Late afternoon, 20-minute nap or meditation. Evening, animated conversation or passionate hobby. Night, complete relaxation routine. Key principle, alternate between full engagement and complete rest throughout the day. Implementing secret number 2, social eating rituals. Meal structure. Minimum 45 minutes per meal. Include at least one other person, family, friend, neighbor. Put away all devices and distractions. Share food from common dishes when possible. Focus. Conversation on positive topics. End meals with gratitude expression. If eating alone occasionally, call someone during the meal, eat at community table, or video chat with distant family. Implementing secret. Number 3. Purpose-driven daily rhythm. Finding your daily purpose. Identify how you can contribute daily to others. Choose something that uses your skills, experience. Make it essential. People depend on you. Ensure it connects you to community. Make it part of your identity. Examples. Daily check-in calls with elderly neighbors. Teaching skills to younger generations. Maintaining community garden or space. Organizing community activities. Mentoring others in your field. Research. Supporting these secrets, micro-stress cycles, University of California study, controlled stress exposure increased lifespan 23% in animal models. Harvard research, people who experienced brief daily stress lived longer than those avoiding all stress. Hormetic stress triggers autophagy, mitochondrial biogenesis, and DNA repair, social eating. Japanese research. Social meals activate longevity genes that solitary eating doesn't. Mediterranean eating study. Meal duration correlated more strongly with health outcomes than food content. Oxytocin release during social eating reduces inflammation and activates healing. Daily purpose. Blue zones. Research, people with strong daily purpose live 7+ years longer. Ikigai studies, daily sense of contribution more important than career. Satisfaction. Telomere research, purpose-driven people have longer telomeres regardless of stress levels. Combined effects. When all three secrets are implemented together, studies show 40% reduction in all-cause mortality, 60% improvement in stress resilience, 50% better cognitive function, measurable biological age reversal. The key is combining all three, not implementing them separately. Mistake. Number 1, focusing only on diet. The Mediterranean diet without the lifestyle factors provides minimal longevity benefits. Food is only 25% of the equation. Mistake. Number 2, forced social eating, obligatory family dinners with conflict don't provide benefits. Social eating must be genuinely enjoyable and connecting. Mistake. Number 3, artificial purpose. Volunteer work you don't enjoy won't activate longevity mechanisms. Purpose must feel essential and personally meaningful. Mistake. Number 4, extreme stress cycling. Don't confuse this with high-intensity exercise programs. Micro-stress can be as simple as animated conversation followed by quiet reflection. Mistake. Number 5, cultural appropriation. Don't try to replicate exact Mediterranean customs. Adapt the principles to your culture and circumstances. Success indicators. You look forward to meals as social events. Stress feels manageable and energizing rather than overwhelming. You feel needed and valuable to your community. Energy levels remain stable throughout the day. Relationships deepen and multiply. The Mediterranean longevity secret isn't olive, oil, or fish. It's a way of living that honors stress recovery, social connection, and daily purpose. These principles work in any culture, at any age, with any budget. You don't need to move to Italy to access these benefits. You can create Mediterranean-style longevity wherever you are by implementing these 3 hidden secrets. If you want to learn about other longevity secrets from different cultures, watch our video about the Scandinavian longevity code that Americans don't know. It reveals completely different but equally powerful approaches. Subscribe to Prime Year's Lab for science-based longevity strategies from the world's healthiest populations. Share this video with someone who could benefit from Mediterranean-style living principles. In the comments, tell me, which of the 3 secrets resonates most with you, and which will you implement first? Remember, longevity isn't about living longer. It's about living fully until the very